So what's the deal with the storms on the ice giants, Neptune and Uranus? Like Saturn and Jupiter, Neptune and Uranus have very similar processes, but one of the main differences is the ice giants don't have quite the mass that the gas giants has, and they can only bind certain properties because they are smaller planets. So they have to work with ice, water ice, methane. A lot of the chemicals that they have is in the form of ice. So they have a lot of those same gases that the gas giant have, but for them they are even colder. So the storms on Neptune, we have the Great Dark Spot, and we have Scooter down here, which is very similar to the big dark spot, the big great red spot on Jupiter, and another storm that's just to the south and east of that in the lower latitudes on Jupiter's surface. Very similar dynamics going on here, and just like the gas giants, these two produce diamond rainfall, produce lightning. But the difference is between these planets is that the lightning and thunderstorms within the ice giants is deep within the cloud layer, so it's actually below the methane cloud layer to maybe there's a layer of water clouds and ice clouds below that where you can get that static electricity. You also have the diamond rainfall that just like on the other gas giants. So there's a lot of similar processes going on here, but with some distinct differences because of the amount of icing that's required to bind some of these chemicals together because they are of smaller mass. So that is one quick look at that we have of the ice giants, and we're going to continue this discussion, and we're going to talk about Uranus in our next video. So thank everybody for watching. I hope you learned a little bit something here, and we're going to keep this going, and we're going to talk a lot about planetary science in these videos. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.